Today we will talk about the iPad mini 6. Was announced at Apple's September 2021 event, and it's the makeover the tablet needed. This new 2021 iPad mini sports a slimmer design, upgraded performance, a new edge-to-edge screen, and Touch ID support like that found in the iPad Air. The new iPad mini 6 is available for pre-order right now via Apple's website at a starting price of $499, and it's expected to ship the week of September 21st. It's available in an array of new colors with matching new Smart Folio cover accessories, and with the iPhone 13's A15 Bionic chip powering it, it's pretty clear that the iPad mini 6 is shaping up to be one of the best tablets on the market for most people. So with those upgrades in mind, here's everything we know so far about what to expect from the iPad mini 6. The 5 biggest things to know about the iPad mini 6. The iPad mini 6 features a new look, with an edge-to-edge screen you may recognize from the iPad Air 4 and iPad Pro. That means it also supports the superior 2nd Gen Apple Pencil, but there is no Apple Smart Keyboard for it. The iPad mini 6 also features an A15 Bionic processor, which Apple rates as offering 40% jump in CPU performance versus the iPad mini 5. The iPad mini 6's front camera has center stage for tracking your face on calls so you stay in the center of the frame. The iPad mini 6 is available for pre-order right now at a starting price of $499, and shipping next week. iPad mini 2021 price. The iPad mini 6 has a starting price of $499, so it starts about $100 more expensive than its predecessor, the $399 iPad mini 5. You can order the iPad mini 6 in one of 4 colors: purple, pink, starlight, and space gray. iPad mini 2021 Plus. The iPad mini 6 now supports 5G, so you can order either the base Wi-Fi model or the more expensive version with 5G connectivity. If you like to splurge on accessories, Apple is releasing a new series of smart covers for the iPad mini 6 that complement its new color options. iPad mini 6 display. The iPad mini 6 features an 8.3-inch liquid retina display capable of achieving 500 nits of brightness. It also offers wide color support, true tone, and an anti-reflective coating. iPad mini 2021 Apple Pencil 2. Apple has moved the Touch ID sensor off the front of the device, since the display now runs from edge to edge, and onto the power button on the top right edge of the iPad mini 6. iPad mini 6 specs. The new iPad mini delivers a 40% improvement in CPU performance, and an 80% increase in GPU performance over its predecessor thanks to the A15 Bionic chip driving it. If that sounds familiar, it's because the A15 Bionic is the chip which powers the iPhone 13 lineup. iPad mini 2021 USB-C. In other promising news, the 2021 iPad mini now sports a USB-C port at the bottom edge rather than Apple's proprietary Lightning port, which should make the device easier to charge. iPad mini 6 design was hinted at in leaks during the run-up to Apple's September event. The iPad mini's display has grown to 8.3 inches thanks to its new design, which sports an edge-to-edge screen. It looks like a smaller version of the iPad Air 4. The power button is now a Touch ID sensor, and it sits on the top right edge of the new iPad mini 6. The iPad mini 6 now comes in your choice of purple, pink, starlight, and space gray. Plus, it now supports the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, and you can magnetically attach the pencil to the iPad mini 6 to keep it charged and readily at hand. iPad mini 6 cameras. Apple's big talking point around the iPad mini 6 camera is center stage, which uses onboard AI to have the iPad's front-facing camera automatically follow you as you move around during video calls. iPad mini 2021 camera. It first debuted in the 2021 iPad Pro, and now center stage is supported by the iPad mini 6's new 12MP ultra-wide front-facing camera, which has a much wider field of view than that of its predecessor. The rear camera is upgraded from an 8MP sensor to a 12MP wide-angle lens. iPad mini 6 outlook. We've said before that the iPad mini is in desperate need of a redesign, and now it looks like Apple has at least partly answered our prayers. While we would like to see how the iPad mini 6 performs in real-world conditions, and get a look at that new edge-to-edge liquid retina display in person, the new design, fresh color options, and improved A15 Bionic performance make the iPad mini 6 an exciting new addition to Apple's product lineup. This was all known information at the moment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, click to bell. Siri was with you.